welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to unbox my Boxy base box. It's $25 every month. I already have done my premium for this month. I got a new video game. Oh my goodness, I spent a lot of time on it and I shouldn't have. So without further ado, we're going to jump into this box real quick. I do pay for all my boxes myself, so they're always down in the description if anything looks interesting. There's like links. So in this box it says it's glamping. It says spa, sunbathe, yoga, and summer slumber on it, but I'll tell you, on the back of it, it always says hashtag, and then it has glamping. So it's a glamping box. And I got version 3 down there in the little thing. You see that it says variation 3. And let's jump in it. So for the first item, I'm going to pull this out. This is by Mud Mask. It says blue light protection masks. Now I looked at this because I kind of saw it come in. And I have no idea what this is. I really have no idea. I didn't even know blue light could even, it doesn't even seem like a thing that could make your skin maybe tired. It makes your eyes tired, but this says wash your hands and face, apply a thin layer to your face, leave the mask on all day. Doesn't specify you can wear it under your makeup. It doesn't say that you can wear it alongside your makeup or with a moisturizer. Doesn't really give you too much of a description. In here it says blocks high energy visible light from digital devices like smartphones and laptops up to 94%. Made especially for people that spend a lot of time behind a computer screen. Prevents premature skin aging caused by HEV light. I never heard of this as being a thing. And it is $54.
What went wrong?
Oh my goodness. Did I say that? Just shut up over there. But it goes for $54, which you can buy at, I guess, their website. So I haven't really heard of this being a thing. I am definitely going to research it a little bit more. I tried to find out some information, but there hasn't been much that I could find. It doesn't really have a smell, and I got it all over my nose. It just smells like lotion, to be honest, with a little hint of like sunblock, but not much. It's just lotion. And I don't know. I'll have to look into it, but that's the first item. $54 for this. I have to find out if I can wear it under makeup. It doesn't even tell you that. The next item is the Born This Way by Too Faced concealer, and I got mine in the color Pearl. I don't know how that'll do for a concealer, but I kind of like the box. Like, check that out. And in my premium box, I don't know if you guys saw this, but in the premium box, I actually got the powder. So now all I don't have is like the foundation. So, hey Boxy, send me the foundation. Then I'll have the whole set. That would be cool. I think that this is close to my, oh my gosh. It spins off. It doesn't have like a pump. I keep thinking it'll have a pump. But I don't really have anything but one brush beside me, so I hate to try to use this. Here, let's try to use this a little bit. I'll try it over on this side. So we'll just dab a little under my eye. And I will put the lid back on it. Yes, I look funky. Okay, enough of that. I'm goofy enough as it is. Let me rub this in real quick. I just don't have a brush or anything near me. I don't know if this is my color, and I got it on my eye, and I have eyeshadow on. Oh well. I am the sloppiest person ever. It's just getting everywhere. I don't know. It works alright. I mean, it's a little yellow for me, I think, but I took their quiz, so it should be my skin tone. I kind of like a little bit lighter under my eyes, to be honest, but it might work better. It's the heat on this side. I don't have it rubbed in really good either. And then we'll put a little bit of powder over top of it because that's what I have here. Maybe my color. Maybe my jams. So, but that's kind of neat to get this. And it's full-sized item. Well, it is a full-sized item. It's so is this. So $54, and I will put it right beside it so you can see how big it is. But this is $29 for the concealer. The next item I will pull up is by Clarins Paris. It says it's Velvet Lip Perfector, and I got mine in the color Velvet Nude. Let's see if I can get... Oh, look at that. Do I even know where my camera's at? But that's what it says, Velvet Nude. So, let's see what it is. Oh, it looks like a tube. That's different. Oh, look at that. It's got like a, how do you, oh, you squirt it. You squirt it. It comes up through there. That is interesting. Oh, and it's coming out. Okay, so it says Velvet Nude. Here's my mirror. Now I'll try it on. I don't really use lippies, but that's okay. Yeah, it is very, very nude. Yeah, it's like a light brown nude. I kind of like a little bit more pink, but that's okay. The next item, oh, how much is that? $26. The next item is Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer. That's the name by Elizabeth Mott. And this is retail value for $20. I don't use a whole lot of eyeshadow primers. I should, I just don't. Why do I smell it? It doesn't have a smell. It's just like pink lipstick or a pink toothpaste that you put on your eyes. That's all. And the last item is by Butter London. It is the Teddy Boy 9-piece eyeshadow palette. The retail value on this is $28. I could do math, maybe. 40, 57, 57, 60, 77, 83, 83, 93, 103, so $157 for my box, and I paid $25. This is the colors of the eyeshadow palette. It's a really pretty blend. More neutral than anything. I've got neutral look on. Let's look at Billy and Francis and Freddie and Rupert. I like Rupert's name. So Rupert is like a black. Freddy is a blue. Yeah, blue boy. This one's Billy. Is like a glitter shimmer. And Francis is more like a black shimmer. But it comes off purple. Actually, they're very pretty colors. Not mad. I don't usually use neutral looks, but maybe it's a shame I don't have another brush over here. Let me look at this one. Yeah, I need another brush. I lightened it, but it just really does need another brush. So that is my Boxy Premium. Like I said, I spent $25 on this box, and the value was $157. And I got at least, I will probably use those more than these. Like I said, I'm not really a lip person, and I have no idea what putting that, like I said, it didn't even tell me if it's going to be okay to be under makeup or with your moisturizer or anything. So I'll probably get more use out of these 3 items than these 2 all together. Like I said, it's not bad for the price. So if this looks interesting to you, or it's something that you might want to try, like I said, all links are in the description. I do pay for all of my boxes. I pay for all my games too that I play. I'm going to try to do a Sims game video again coming up. And if you haven't looked, I know that most of you don't watch my gaming ones, but if you haven't looked, I did create a lot of stuff for the gallery under gdsssnowmoon or hashtag Snowmoongames or hashtag Snowmoon in the gallery on The Sims 4. And one of my Sims that I created got picked to be in Dr. Gluon's hotel live stream. So if you want to see that, you can head over to him and watch his live. It's actually quite humorous. I had a great time watching him, and I'm so excited that my sim got picked to live out in, I mean, he's not controlling the sim or anything, but at the same time, it's kind of neat to see my little sim, like, struggle at life in the distance. So, but I heart everybody's faces, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.